Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CDS 2 exam. Question number 2 is if x minus 1 within bracket whole cube is a factor of x4 plus alpha x cube plus beta x square plus gamma x minus 1, then the other factor will be option A x plus 1, option B x minus 3, option C x plus 2 and option D x. So first of all, taking this x minus 1 raised power 3, so this can be written as x3 minus 1 minus 3x bracket x minus 1 bracket 4. So that is the formula for a minus b whole cube. So that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. Okay. So further it can be written as x cube minus 1 minus 3x square plus 3x. Okay, so now it is a factor of x4 plus alpha x cube plus beta x square plus gamma x minus 1. So let us divide this and find out other factor. Divide this by this x minus 1 cube. So keeping it here, x4 plus alpha x cube plus beta x square plus gamma x minus 1, and keeping this x minus 1 cube here, multiplying it by x, so it will be x4 here minus 3x cube plus 3x square minus x, x4 minus 3x cube plus 3x square minus x. Okay, so it will be subtracted, it will be alpha plus 3x cube, and this will be beta minus 3x square, and this will be gamma plus 1x, and minus 1 is as it is. So now here the coefficient of x cube is alpha plus 3, so taking here alpha plus 3, so it will be alpha plus 3x cube, okay, and this will be minus 3 alpha plus 3 x square, and this will be 3 alpha plus 3 x, and this will be minus alpha plus 3. So we subtract these, then it will be b beta minus 3 plus 3 bracket alpha plus 3 bracket close x square, and this will be alpha plus 1 minus 3 alpha plus 3 within bracket and large bracket goes x, and this will be minus 1 plus alpha plus 3. So now if this has to be factor of the of this equation, then this remainder should be 0. So this remainder can be 0 when the coefficient of x here and coefficient of x and this term is 0. Okay, so keeping this term 0, so it will be minus 1 plus alpha plus 3 will be equal to 0, or alpha will be equal to minus 2. So now we have the value of alpha is your minus 2. So we can put here alpha for finding out the factor. So it will be x minus 2 plus 3, that is x plus 1. Answer is option A.